we couldn't go to South Africa. We've never been to South Africa. So we brought South Africa to Cucina. So today we're doing a braai night with our friends from Lekker Braai. And did you know what lekker means?
No.
It means nice, it means good, it means pleasant, lekker. So this is all lekker.
And do you know what braai means? Braai is a barbecue.
It's a barbecue.
Guys, this stuff is awesome. These 3 art pieces, these gorgeous ones, are from an amazing artist called Willow. Baskets are made from telephone wire. These are called the garlic bulbs. And we've got Willow here that's done this for us. So typical South African art, beer cans, Coke cans.
Ola over there takes care of all the pretty stuff. Tables, the decoration. I handle the dirty stuff. And now I have to clean this. This is all the prep that happens before we get the guests arrive, and so let me get into my work.
So we've got 3 awesome chefs with us. Chef Jan.
Who's doing a rotisserie
yeah,
lamb.
the lamb pit. And then we've got Chef Kwele, who's doing the oxtail. Chef Garth, who's doing a whole lot of stuff.
A whole lot of
stuff. I don't know how to
He's doing
pronounce.
steaks and
so
lots
we're
of
gonna
things
go speak
that,
to him and ask him what he's doing. And it's gonna be so good and so yummy, and I can't wait.
So these are the goodies. These are the tortoises. Borers. Somebody needs to teach me how to say that. T-bone. This is awesome. Remember that big box of goodies that we showed with all the meats inside? This is a gentleman who brought the goodies.
What about all the rubs and stuff?
Oh, that's a whole different level. We bring these things also in from South Africa. Obviously, it's a lot of different things. There's a huge variety. South Africans love salt, unfortunately. So you'll see there's a lot of spice inside there. Not burny spice, but salty spice.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but yeah, we
Do
like
they
to
like it
incorporate-
hot as well?
They do.
Yeah?
And they also like to incorporate the sweet and sour.
So what are we planning to do with this?
We're just gonna cook it, slow cook it in the instant cooker, transfer it to the potjie and serve it.
Chef, we're not going to distract you. You're carrying a knife and you're chopping stuff. So, so what's the plan for today?
Today the main dish is gonna be an oxtail potjie. So basically we're gonna be doing, preparing now, chakalaga. Chakalaga is beans,
Yeah.
some garlic, some tomatoes, some carrots already chopped.
And how do you cook it?
Samarila,
Okay. Yeah.
polenta.
Polenta. Okay.
So you just boil water, you put it inside, and you can just flavor it in how you want. We're gonna be doing the chakalaga. It's a South African bean and tomato relish. It complements the braai, so it's good. So we're gonna put some oil. We're just gonna saute some onions, green capsicum or peppers. So your carrots, which are grated, mixture of spices, yeah. It's a secret recipe. Paprika, and then you've got some oregano. You're just gonna add in your baked beans. Tomato sauce to give it color.
This looks fantastic, and I know you've been working on this for the past hour, chopping lots of small onions and. What is this?
It's actually chimichurri.
Chimichurri. Okay.
Onion, vinegar, garlic, smoked paprika, oregano, a little bit of basil powder. And yeah, we'll do broikies also.
Okay.
So broiki is like bread, the small bread actually. So will be ham, cheese, tomato, some chutney, and it will be on the coals.
Okay. So Jan, what are these?
That is boerenworst. We call it.
Wait, how do you pronounce? I see the word. How do you pronounce it?
Boeren.
Boeren. Boerewors.
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 We also make the boerewors rolls from these wors. Yeah, the bun, the hot dog bun that you put the boerewors in. Like we've done that, they've done that side, the smoor.
Okay.
And sorry,
Yeah, the boerewors is boereborning.
very nice wors. And
Is it beef or is it lamb?
it's lamb.
It's lamb.
Yeah.
Okay. What is almost wors? Almost wors.
It's a different spice,
Okay. Okay. So it's all about the spice inside that
Yes.
makes it.
different flavors and different types of spices.
Yeah. This looks medium.
Yeah,
Yeah?
medium.
So this is the boiki, oxtail South African, without the three-legged part.
Cucina is absolutely on fire. Like everything is happening at the same time. You've got like that over there is the liver with the fat and spot fire or something like that. So we're gonna learn it, I promise.
But they look like
But-
tortoises, but
Yes.
they're the livers of the lamb,
Livers
basically.
of the lamb, and there's a massive fire over there. Chef Garth is handling that.
And then we've got oxtails
the
here.
oxtail, yeah, with Chef Kwele.
And then we've got the lamb on the pit
Which
right
has
over
already
here.
been, like the lamb has been chopped into a million pieces. I think we were already full. And then we've got Jan also doing the
Brewers.
burgers.
It's really bad.
And we've got
Who's Who? We've got Who's Who, the band, playing for us today.
Yeah.
And we've got this awesome crowd behind us, all from South Africa.
and the guys from the South African consulate and the guys from the Namibian Expo. It's an African party. Just to taste, quality control, no? Just quality control. So good. Taste.
Say hello to my little friend. It's like a dream come true.
Where's your bone? Cheers, brother. Guys, chefs have been cooking and preparing for 4 hours. Fires have been flaming, and now it's time to
Taste.
eat. What are
Hello.
what are you having?
What are you having?
This and that with this. I haven't eaten meat for the last 2 years.
I'm having boerewors
Okay.
and a nice piece of
What do you guys have?
had potatoes, and now we're about to have the grilled cheese.
Already so much on the table.
Exactly.
There's already so much.
Nice representation of
Yeah.
a variety.
Yeah. So Alex, what are you having?
I'm having the everything. The T-bone, oxtail, and porridge. The pup. The pup with the oxtail sauce right on top.
If he doesn't have the vegetable,
I
no
don't.
vegetable.
Apologies.
He's a meat
there's
eater.
He's vegetarian because he doesn't eat vegetables.
or just vegetable eating animals.
So these are the pumpkin fritters. Smell the pudding with the custard. I love this stuff, the sticky stuff. At the bottom and the side of the pan, it's my favorite stuff. Cucina! Woo!
We had so much amazing South
Yeah.
African food.
It was
Honestly, we
really
tried
good,
stuff that
very
was
yummy,
like,
very authentic.
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
I think the oxtail is something like very different than anything I've tried before.
With the pudding.
Yeah, and that other thing with the
tortoise.
Guys, this was such a special episode. We experienced today what authentic South African cuisine is. The vibe, the people, the generosity, the music. It was amazing. We're actually now excited to go to South Africa and do a Cucina de Sul in South Africa. Don't forget to like this video, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube for more episodes of Cucina de Sul. We're absolutely stuffed. We're full to here. We've had like so much amazing.
Should we have done this before the food? So full.
Guys, we wrapped up this episode. Everybody's gone. There's no one here. And look what I just discovered. There's half a kharoof in here. نص خروف. شو بنعمل فيه هذا؟
خروف.
Lunch tomorrow. خروف عمر. It's a lamb. You know Mary had a little lamb? We ate it.
Becky has a bit of lamb.